Hey, Big Red here, and I have another video here for you. This is a tree cutting video, and we have a problem tree here that's next to the house, and we're going to be taking it down. We've already taken about half of it up top. It's a hickory tree. It's overhanging the house, and have a climber David up there at the top, and tree's about maybe 80 feet tall, 70, 80 feet tall. And what we have to do with this one is to rig every piece down, because to keep it from hitting the house. And so anyway, we put a belay up there and also a tag line to direct it away from the house.
Okay, stop.
So anyway, pretty straightforward job on this one. And we'll let you see what it looks like when we start taking some of the branches down.
No, completely severed.
And we got a hanger.
I got a hanger.
Well, we got a hanger here.
See what it's going to do.
So anyway, stay tuned. Okay, we got the hanger loose now.
Alex, just keep it off the roof. Doug, you lower.
And we're going to belay it down now.
Perfect.
Here we go. Success.